In today's video, we're going to explore a note-taking strategy by converting a PDF document into an MP3 file, bringing it into Otter AI, and then using the Otter AI chat feature to have a conversation with that content. Welcome to the Accessibility Guide channel. My name is Sean Jordison, and let's jump right in. All right, the first thing that we need to do is figure out a way to create an MP3 file from our text. Now, there are lots of different programs out there that can do this, or you can simply use the Microsoft built-in reader, have it read aloud while Otter AI is recording. I have access to a program that can create an MP3 file for me. I'm gonna go ahead and launch that program now. So I'm going to launch Kurzweil 3000, and I'm going to open up a new text document. And I'm simply going to paste in my resume information, and then I'm going to select the file button, go to audio files and create audio file. I'm going to do the entire document and select OK. The file is then going to be processed and we will have a completed MP3 file on our desktop. Next, we can come over to Otter AI and let's import that audio file. I'm going to select the import button and then browse for files and find the MP3 file that was created. Now, once the file has been imported, it will need to transcribe, and we're gonna need to wait a few minutes for that to happen. All right, now that we have the MP3 file fully loaded in here, we can have a full-on conversation with this document. So I have the AI chat tool open from within Otter AI inside my transcript, and what we're gonna do is just talk to it. Let's ask it some questions. And since this is my resume, I kind of know the content pretty well, but I can say like, what is the biggest takeaway from this? And it gives me a whole bunch of information. The biggest takeaway from Sean Jordison's background is their extensive expertise and experience in digital accessibility. I totally agree. And then it listed out 14 years of experience, extensive work, strong technical proficiency. I love this. Overall, Sean Jordison's background showcases a deep expertise and passion for driving digital accessibility improvements across diverse organizations and sectors. Could not agree more, Otter AI. But the benefit of this is if you have some materials that you have for your classes that you can get an MP3 file of, you can use Otter AI to generate a transcript and then have a full-on conversation with that document. This is a strong note-taking possibility and could be used to transform your note-taking procedure when studying for exams or other important information. That concludes today's video on how to use Otter AI to interact with a document to improve your note-taking capabilities. If you want to find out how I can help you get accessible, take a look at the link in the description of this video. And as always, I could be your champion for inclusion. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I'll see you next time.